Imagine finding your dream home, but you're stuck waiting for your current house to sell. What if I told you there's a secret weapon in real estate that could change everything? It's called bridge financing. It's a short-term loan that bridges the gap between buying a new home and selling your current one. It's perfect when closing dates don't align. Let's say you need $500,000 for just 10 days. Sounds crazy, right? But in the world of real estate, it could mean the difference between landing your dream home and watching it slip away. How much will it cost you? Let's break it down. Say you need $500,000 for 10 days. Here's what you're looking at. Interest payment, about $960, that's less than $100 a day. Admin fee, around $500. Total cost, roughly $1,500. Think of it as renting money. For less than you might spend on a fancy dinner out, you could be opening the door to your new home. It's not about the cost, it's about the possibilities it unlocks. Seems like a lot, but think about it, that's the price of flexibility in a hot market. With bridge financing, you can make firm offers and kiss goodbye to the sell first, then buy stressful situation. It's a game changer.